we're here at the Environmental Research Institute in Thurso. This is one of the campuses of the University of the Highlands and Islands, and we specialise in, not very surprisingly, environmental research. So my work really focuses in particular on the peatlands of the Flow Country, which is the very large blanket bog that's just here in the Flow Country in Caithness and Sutherland, so just on our back door. I think one of the things that's really fantastic about the University of the Highlands and Islands and the way it's set up is that each campuses, instead of trying to be whatever is in bigger universities like Glasgow or Edinburgh, we really focus on the uniqueness and the things that we have locally. Just on our doorstep here, we have the Flow Country peatlands of Caithness and Sutherland, which are the largest blanket bog in Europe, possibly the world. And we have the capacity here to just go out half an hour's drive, and we're in a fantastic natural environment. As far back as I can remember, I've always been really interested in the natural world. I loved going out in the woods and just looking around me, finding out about plants, about bugs, about everything that kind of lived in. And so I think from a very early age I was drawn to the natural environment. I didn't know then that you could make a career out of it, but that was something that was really interesting to me. I went to high school. I was really interested in all the kind of science subjects, but I was also very active, and I went on to play football at a semi-professional level. And you may think that's no connection to what I'm doing today, but playing football was really important for me to develop abilities in kind of time management, leadership. So I had to go to my trainings and then to go to school. I had to work with teammates and everything, and those things were really important to me. How I got into peatland is a bit of an accident. So I was in my final year looking for an undergrad dissertation project. I sent an email to all the professors in the Department of Plant Sciences because I thought I really like plants. You know, plants are cool, they do photosynthesis, you know, they're pretty cool. So the first person to reply to me was a professor that was doing peatland research. And so she invited me for an interview, and within 5 minutes of walking into the office, I'd been offered an undergrad project and a master's project as well. And I came to Scotland to do, after my PhD, I came to Scotland to do a postdoc, so kind of the first bit of my independent career, if you like. And then the more I worked in Scotland, and especially when I started to work up here in the Flow Country, the more I realised that this maybe was the place I could call a home and kind of create this research group up here. And so the kind of combination of my personal interests in life and my work life would just perfectly combine in the Highlands.